Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about DocSecrets and Google Docs. DocSecrets is a great little tool to use to engage your students, whole group, or even in centers. So here we go. So what I have here is I've got a Google document and I'm actually going to create like a letter. Okay, and we're going to make this a letter to Dr. Seuss because he's one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Dear Dr. Seuss, so that way my students kind of know what's coming. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit more. I absolutely love, and I'm going along, and now I'm going to open up DocSecrets. When I open up DocSecrets, because I'm gonna make this like a fill in the blank type thing, I need to create a passcode. So I'm going to create a passcode here. Dot, 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 dot. I'm going to click next, and now it's going to open up, and it's going to say okay. So anytime that I want to have like a hidden part of my document, I type in the word that I want to use for that, and I hit insert. So as you can see there, the word is love. I absolutely love, and you can't see love. It's just like a blank. And then it moves on to the next words. Reading your books. And I'm going to add another one, my most favorite. And I'm going to continue writing this little letter here, is I'm going to make another blank because I'm going to want the kids to really try to guess what this is, and it's going to be Sneeches. Okay, and I'm going to write down why I love this book so much, because it does not matter if you have a star. We're going to insert that in there, and it's going to continue on in this fashion. Now, as I'm going through this, of course, on my side, you're going to see that I have all the blanks there with the words, okay? And you can see like a little lock next to it. So I'm going to have the ability to unlock this for my students. If we can do this whole group, or they can actually, like I said, they can do it actually in groups together. Now I can choose to reveal one at a time, okay? So I'm going to reveal the secret, and you can see that I just revealed love. Or I can actually go down and reveal all of them at the same time. Just as, this is just another way, and you can actually have your kids create these as well, which would be really, really cool, to kind of help each other. And then you can like make a rubric. Was it too hard? Was it too easy? So DocSecrets is a really awesome tool to get kids critically thinking, as well as using Google Docs. Thanks for watching.